Today, let's talk about jobs you should never do here in Denmark. It's been a while I've not posted any video. When you get a new job, you put in more time because you're trying to learn as fast as possible and to get acclimatized with the system in your new job. So that has been time consuming and I didn't really have time to post or make any video. But today is Saturday, so we're going to talk about jobs you should never ever do here in Denmark. So the first job that you should never ever do in Denmark is a job where they pay you under the table. It means that jobs that they pay you cash, it doesn't go through the bank. Those jobs you should never do here in Denmark. And I'm going to explain why. One of the first reasons is it is illegal, completely out of law for you to be paid under the table. The second reason is you will never be able to have any social security benefits such as maternity leave, paternity leave, unemployment benefit, pensions, holiday pay. You will never be able to have any of these benefits. Number three, you will have no legal protection because the government doesn't know you're working. And so this opens you for exploitation. Your employer can do whatsoever they want with you and nobody is going to come to your aid. Four, if you are a non-EU citizen living here in Denmark, the fact that you don't have an official job can lead to the annulment of your residence permit and it can even lead to your deportation. Number five, your traveling options may be limited because if you have to go to countries where you need a visa for, you need to show proof that you're earning and you don't have any. Another kind of job that you should avoid by all costs in Denmark is a job where they ask you to do things that are illegal. Let's say, for example, in my field, which is in transportation, okay, though I transport but garbage, but we are still in transport business. Let's say your employer is asking you to transport goods that you don't have the permit for, or illegal products for you to take them from one place to another and say, nah, it's okay, if anything happens, I'm going to take care of it. It's a lie. You share responsibility with him if you are caught with transporting illegal goods. You can lose your license. And as a transporter, our license is the backbone of our job. You don't have a license, you cannot be in the transport business. And so never involve yourself in a job where you're always required to do illegal things. Resign and quit. As simple as that. Do not get yourself landed in trouble. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video, and if you did, leave a like and leave a comment. And I want to give a special shout out to the lady I met in Tivoli. I was picking up their garbage, as well as to Henry I met in Marriott Hotel. Remember in my other video I said don't be surprised if you see me picking up your garbage. So these two people, they recognized me picking up their garbage and they said hi. I think next time I would like to take a picture. So if you see me, you recognize me, say hi to me. I will much appreciate it, and probably we could take a picture so I can post it here on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.